Lewis Welding is a full-service sheet metal fabrication company as well as powder coat. The reason we got into automation as a solution for our spot welding is we have some large projects coming up. I reached out to Robots and they hooked me up with Spot, which had a system already in place. We got a hold of Bob Hamilton and he helped us design a simulation with our product and showed us how it would help us spot weld our parts.
Lewis Welding sent us a complete solid model of their product, and we're able to drop that into our simulator and see exactly how the welder would interface with the parts. Things we do to create a SolidWorks simulation is to look at exactly how the weld head would interface with the parts, to make some estimates on cycle time, and to see if there's going to be any special tooling requirements or any custom elements that would have to go along with the system. We found that we did need a custom length electrode, and the arm had to be slightly taller so that we could get around these fins. That was very effective to see exactly what was needed in order to make the product work.
The Spot Welder has been performing very well. We are currently running about 9,000 welds a day on a current product line that we're running through it.
Speeds up production a little, and quite a bit really. Went from 100 parts to 140 parts a shift.
The quality of weld's been very good. Safety-wise especially, it's very safe equipment. The Robots hooked it into the Spot Welder is a very safe unit. It doesn't have to be caged in. As far as the ergonomics with the operator, before they were bending over and running around moving parts, they can load it and hit a button and let it go.
It's easier on the guy running the machine versus doing it manually.
The training did not take long. The operators like it, and we like it because we can put different operators on there. They don't have to be experienced in spot welding at all.
You can put out more work with the same amount of people.
About 6 months in, we had a return on investment with the product line we're currently running.